Before you spend a single dollar on ads or film your first video, you need to know who you're talking to. And that means creating a customer avatar, not just homeowners with water damage, but an actual person that you can picture when you're building your message. Start by going deeper than basic demographics. Sure, you want to know age, income, location, but the gold is in the psychographics. What do they value? What frustrates them about dealing with contractors? What do they search for when disaster hits? If you don't know yet, that's okay. Start by looking for patterns in your top 20% of customers, the ones who bring in the most revenue and are the least hassle. What do they all have in common? Where do they live? How did they find you? What kind of communication do they prefer? Text, call, email. You can use tools like HubSpot's Make My Persona to walk you through this step by step. Then give your avatar a name. Seriously, bring them to life. For example, at Brightspark Media, our avatar's name is John. John is a 40 to 60-year-old business owner or executive of a 7 to 8 figure company who values efficiency, professionalism, and results. His company lacks internal marketing infrastructure, and he prefers to outsource to experts. He wants a high-impact content marketing solution that requires minimal involvement from his team. Everything we do, every post, every video, every campaign, we ask, does this serve John? And if not, it's not worth pursuing. And this is where being a small, agile company is a big advantage in marketing. Because it doesn't matter what agenda corporate wants to push. It doesn't even matter what you think is the most important thing to talk about in your business. John gets to decide. And here's the beauty of this. When you serve your customer like this first, then your customer will serve you. In the next episode, we'll take that avatar and craft your value proposition, the statement that tells the world exactly why your business matters. So stay locked in with Brightspark Media and the R&R magazine. I'll see you then.